Before I start this lecture, to advise you, there will be words here that may contain violence. Please be advised since this is a criminal law lecture. Okay? Bagong gupit ako. Actually, I'm doing this for the sake of my fellow law buddies sa Laguna State Polytechnic University College of Law, so that you be familiar with the concept of criminal law. Criminal law too, to be precise. So I would not make this video long for you, so that you could get it easily. For you to understand the concept of criminal law too, is that you have to understand the term circumstances in general definition. So what is circumstances? So it is a fact or condition connected with or relevant to an event or action. Gusto naman ng Google. Pwede kayo mag-Google. Huwag kayo mahihiya. Or, in short, yung mga ginawa ng isang tao. Yun lang circumstances, Don't be confused when the professor asked you. Okay? So let's set an example. So for our example, X, a 20-year-old male, took advantage of C, who is a 20-year-old female, who has a mental disability and thinks like an 8-year-old child. X took advantage of C by inserting his appendage to the crevice of C. X also knows that C thinks like an 8-year-old child. Was there a crime committed? So what do you think? So anong gagawin natin dito? Iisa-isahin natin yung element. No, mga elements. Element daw no? Mga elements. So, we all know that this is rape. No? We all know that this is a rape case. By inserting his appendage to the crevice of C. That is without consent of C. So, let's discuss it one at a time. What are the elements of rape as prescribed in the Article 266A? No? Paano mo masabing rape? That the offender is a person, tao. Lilinawin nyo tao. So that the offender had carnal knowledge of a person. What do we say? How do we say carnal knowledge? What is carnal knowledge? No? What is carnal knowledge? Meanwhile, we all know that it is rape, right? So to review you of your criminal law 1 lecture is that carnal knowledge is a sexual intercourse between two people, typically requiring at least some slight penetration. Pumasok pero konti lang, kalahati, ganun. When the person is under 16 years of age, statutory rape or is demented. Okay? And such act is accomplished under any of the following circumstances: force, threat, or intimidation, when the person is deprived of reason or is otherwise unconscious, and by means of fraudulent machination or grave abuse of authority. Pinilit. When the person is under 16 years of age, statutory rape or it is demented. How can we say that? So doon sa example natin, pasok ba siya? X, a 20-year-old male, took advantage of C, ganyan, ganto, kasyo ganyan, kasyo ganto. So with those circumstances, it can already qualify as a rape case. Ngayon, the question is, anong klaseng rape? Anong klaseng rape? Is it statutory rape? Is it rape by sexual intercourse? Or is it rape by sexual assault? How many modes are there of rape? Ilan bang modes ng rape ang nandun? Meron pa tayong 266B, qualified rape, di ba? Okay, let's answer the question first. X is a 20-year-old male, took advantage XX. The question, you can return it to the previous minute. There was a case decided in the Supreme Court in the case of People versus Quintos in 2014 that in determining whether a person is 12 years old, 12 years of age under paragraph D, the interpretation should be in accordance with either the chronological age of the child if he or she is not suffering from intellectual disability. So in this case, we have mental disability present, di ba? Rule on stare decisis. Or the mental age if intellectual disability is established, is established. Here established yung ating intellectual disability that it has a mental disability and thinks like an 8-year-old child. It's established. So what crime did X commit? So that will be statutory rape. Okay? So paano naman natin sasagutin yan sa exam? So with this question, you will answer this thoroughly, no? Thoroughly. in toto, ano ba, totality or completely. Tatandaan nyo lang ha, always 5 W, 1 H. Who, what, when, where, how, and why. Paano nangyari? Sino yun? Ano yun? Okay? Kesyo ganto, kesyo ganire, si ganyan. Okay? Ano, ilang taon na siya? Okay, okay. You remember those concepts. Tatandaan nyo lang lagi that the elements should fit the following circumstances for it to be qualified as a crime or for it to be considered a crime. Ibang element, ibang crime. Okay? So that concludes my short lecture for criminal law. I hope you learned a thing or two.